Put the chain into the chain breaker. Tighten the side without the punch pin to secure the chain. Use the punch pin to slowly push out the chain pin. Disconnect the chain. Remove the chain. The end with the chain pin faces the front wheel. First, hang the chain on the bottom bracket. Put the other end of the chain on the flywheel. Install it on the gear of the chain tensioner as shown in the video. Join the two ends of the chain. Use the chain breaker to slowly push the chain pin into the chain. Be careful not to push it too far. A slight protrusion is enough. Hang the chain on the chainring. Rotate the crank to fully install the chain onto the chainring.